another episode of Cooking with Tommie. Today we are making zucchini spaghetti, or spaghetti with zucchini as the noodle replacement. So what inspired this dish are these noodles, zucchini noodles from Walmart. At first I was like, I gotta buy the zucchini, gotta buy the spiralizer, gotta cut it up myself. But no, Walmart sells it already done for you. I don't know if I should cook all of these. I guess so, just to try it out. I don't know. I'm actually browning my ground beef right now. I have my noodles here. I was gonna just, saute them up or something, put a little minced garlic in there. But at the moment, I'm chopping up my bell pepper and onion. I mean, y'all have seen me make spaghetti before. I'll link the video in the card. But this is keto spaghetti. I'm really bad about keeping my fingers out the way, especially with these nails. But anyway, we'll just put that piece to the side. Oh, I'm starting to cry again. Look, y'all gotta stop playing with the. These are strong. What they said, do keep a glass of water next to you. What was it? Cause, all right. The veggies are good. Put lemon pepper as my beef seasoning. It's my favorite. I'm using lean ground beef. But yeah, I'm using my wok. I didn't realize when I bought this one that I already had this. So I have a 4 cheese and a 5 cheese. Classico Bertolli. So this one has 10 carbs and this one has 9 carbs. But this one has 2 fibers and this has 1 fiber. What did I say? Man, we just gonna have to go to that 5 cheese, man. You can't go wrong with 5 cheese. Throw the onions in here. Throw the bell peppers. I don't know if I need all the onions, but it does give it some good flavoring. So I might as well, right? Get my lemon pepper popping. It's probably a lot. So I'll let y'all know when we're ready to add the sauce. All the liquid is no longer in here. I have it from like 7, so I'm gonna bring it down to 5, and now I'm gonna add in my sauce. I'm going to use a little water to get the rest of this out of the container. Okay. I'm just going to taste this sauce, see what it needs. I'm getting a ravioli vibe, so we're going to put some garlic in here. Because we don't want no ravioli now. Let's throw in the garlic. I'm going to do a few splats of hot sauce. About 3 shakes of cayenne pepper. Do y'all put sugar in your spaghetti? My friend does it. She can't really tell me why she does it, because she puts other spices in there. So what's the point of the sugar if you can't taste the sugar? But for me, somebody said it cuts the acid. I don't know. But I like my spaghetti either hot, salty, spicy, something. So I just don't get the point of the sugar. So y'all put sugar in y'all spaghetti. Why? Why? Pretty good again somewhere. A little salt. Okay. Do a couple more shakes of lemon pepper. That actually wasn't bad. It was pretty flavorful. Okay. Okay, so I'm turning on my oven to like a 3. And I'm getting ready to put my noodles in here. But I think I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Not too much. Yeah, that should do. Way too much for this pan. This skillet rather. It's way too much. So switch out my pans to a bigger one. Yeah, let's just make that move. A little salt never hurt nobody. Let's see what zucchini really tastes like. I'm just gonna cover them and see what happens. They're cooking. You can see they're kind of starting to, their form is getting very loose. The taste is giving off. I'm not sure about. So I'm just gonna add some cayenne pepper. It's like a really tart taste left after the noodle, and I don't know if I'm feeling that. So see if I can change that up a bit. I did put olive oil in here, but I don't want it to be like super oily. So I'm just putting some cayenne pepper in the noodles. You guys can taste them for yourself, but they were just kind of, I don't know, that extra taste I wasn't really feeling. So they're pretty much done. Just wanted to heat them. I'm gonna go ahead and plate my entire meal now. Okay, y'all, these are the noodles. Okay, just gonna finish it off with some grated Parmesan. Okay, y'all, we have a plate full of food. Mixing it up. I don't know, I really thought, I don't know, I'm not gonna say nothing too much, but maybe if they were more spiral, because the Walmart kind I bought, they weren't spiral. So, here we go. Yeah, it looks kind of gross now. It's a lot of noodles in this one. Ooh. Meat fell off, but still got a lot of noodles on here. I mean, it's good. I really can't. To me, it's just a filler because I can't really taste the zucchini with everything all mixed in. But it definitely doesn't take away from the meal. It adds a bit more substance. I mean, noodles don't really have a definite really flavor either. They're kind of just like a filler item. So it tastes like spaghetti. I like it. It still tastes really good. I mean, this mixture that I have formulated is really nice. I put a little spice, a few pinches of salt on the zucchini noodles, but I mean that's what I do with regular spaghetti anyway. You know, I salt my pasta, water, put a little olive oil in there. That's stuff I always do. So this was really good, and I would definitely make it again with the zucchini noodles. So low carb, and that's the only thing you have to do different, guys. I mean, you may want to get like a low carb pasta sauce, but even the one that I did use that had like 10 carbs, like that's the whole day. I mean, if you choose to have this for your dinner and you haven't ate any of the carbs, then you're already ahead of the game. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this meal. I'm gonna go ahead and finish mine off camera. So thank you all for watching. If you have any more suggestions for me down below for cooking with Tommie's or just any other video, let me know and I'll definitely get back to you guys with them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.